Hey, is this what all the cool guys are doing right here? Damn! That looks retarded. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today's gonna be like another kind of a lunch break challenge type video. I'm just you know, I'm down on time. I don't have a lot of spare time to get shit done. Tuesdays and Thursdays my son has karate, and you know, I'm a family man. I got a lot going on. I got a full schedule, this and that. So it's gonna be another day where I go home on my lunch break and try and get shit done. But today I'm gonna be working on the green coupe. So it's having more and more little issues come up, and I feel like if I don't take care of them, it's gonna start to get out of hand. I'm trying to like block the glare over here. It's gonna get out of hand and just get more annoying and get overwhelming if I just let shit go. But basically the front left corner of the car is making a lot of noises. It's got a really squeaky ball joint. Every time I turn it squeaks really loud. It's pretty embarrassing. The wheel bearings are pretty loose. I can wobble the wheel left, right, up, down. That's a good indication the wheel bearings going out. So I think the easiest thing to do would be to just go home and pull the entire knuckle off the car and bring it up here to work, because I'm gonna need like the press to really to really get that bearing out and in. And so I'm gonna go ahead and do new lower ball joints and new hub assembly, new bearing, and the hub. Everything is gonna be new. I got this kit. It even comes with like a new snap ring. But yeah, so that's it's about, what time is it? It's 11:09. I'm gonna leave it about 11:30, and hopefully I can just knock this shit out. And I got a bag full of tools. Hopefully I have everything I need. I got a let's see, 14 millimeter, 12, 14, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, all those in sockets, and a couple wrenches and shit like that. But it always sucks when you got to get something done and you're missing like one tool that stops you from getting the entire job done. So hopefully I'm gonna have what I need. But yeah, let's get this shit done. Here's a quick shot of the squeaky ball joint. Alright, I'm going to get my bag of tools and get to work. Alright guys, it's currently 11:35. Wish me luck. I'm gonna try and pull the knuckle off and just like time lapse it. I'll just fast forward through this whole thing. I won't put you through that. But yeah, I'm just gonna jack it up and let's get to it. I know it's not a good idea to hammer on this, all right, but I'm not hitting hard. It's good. I actually had this punch with the point. It's good to use these to hammer the axle through. But let's see what time it is. I feel like that was pretty fast. It's 11:44. I got this out in 9 minutes. With really no special tools, really just that impact really made things easier. But all right, time to pack up, go get something to eat, go back to work. And I didn't bring the freaking Phillips to take off the rotor, so I'm just gonna take it all together. I'll take the rotor off at work. No big deal. Huffing and puffing. I am out of breath, out of shape, out of money, out of time. All right, I need to get packed up and get out of here. Hey, what you know about that stance? I'm gonna go ahead and all right, this is gonna be the end of this video. So I'm gonna do like a ball joint video, wheel bearing video, and kind of just go through this car and clean it up. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to work. See you next video. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna neutral slam it.
The fuck? You still haven't fixed that?
Bullshit to that too, huh? Episode 2 of the fuck, what's the title?